Excavation safety. Excavation means a work involves the removal of soil or a mixture of soil and rock. Till now, number of workers have been trapped, buried and injured in an excavation due to following reasons. Sometimes there are chances of failure of the sites of excavation or external material falling into the excavation, which can injure the workers. Vehicles come close to the side of an excavation, particularly while reversing and causing sites to be collapsed. There are also chances of asphyxiation due to inhaling of the poisonous gases. While excavation, there are the presence of insects, leeches, snakes, and poisonous plants which can also cause a problem. Neglecting safety such as not using of personal protective equipment, not barricading of excavation site, which can also cause a safety precaution in excavation. You have to assign a supervisor who is properly trained, qualified and experienced about excavation. And he has a complete information about the underground utilities such as water pipelines, sewers, gas mains, electrical lines and other civil facilities, and he should take the written clearance for a excavation. No excavation should be carried out below any structure or any building unless you can take any proper safety measures. Sites of excavation should be properly inspected by supervisor during the course of excavation from time to time. After every rain, storms, he has to check the barricading and he also carry out the gas test. Only qualified man should be permitted to do work and he should use proper personal protective equipment. Proper lighting facilities and warning signs should be displayed at excavation site. Sites of excavation should be shored and shall extend at least 30 cm above the vertical sides. The sides of excavation should be sloped around 45 degree or it is benched to prevent the collapse of rocks or soil. You have to provide ladder for proper access at excavation site, and ladder shall extend at least 1 meter above the top of the cut, and excavation shall have at least one ladder per 15 meter of length in the case of hazardous work and per 30 meter of length in the case of less hazardous work. All the loose stones or any kind of unstable material which can collapse under the excavation shall be removed and throw away at least 1 meter from the edge of excavation. In addition, you can also provide toe board in order to prevent falling of material in the excavation. You have to ensure that no harmful gases or fumes were present in the trench. If such gases were present, provide mechanical ventilation to protect the health and safety of personnel working in the trench, and if mechanical ventilation is non-adequate, provide respiratory protective equipment.